Let's see how to change the slide to answer option to a accept or decline when you have incoming calls on your iPhone. Welcome back to another simple video, everyone. If you have an iPhone, you've probably noticed that you have two different options when someone is calling you. The first one is slide to answer, and the other one has the answer or decline options. Maybe you ask yourself why this is the case, and you maybe want to change it to one or the other all the time. This slide to answer option is only available when someone is calling you and your iPhone is locked and you're not using it. This feature prevents us from accidentally answering or declining the call when our iPhone is in our pocket and when it's locked. In order to answer the call, we have to slide horizontally from the left side to the right in the direction of the arrow. The accept or decline buttons are only available when your iPhone is unlocked. That means that you can see this accept or decline option when someone is calling you when you have entered your iPhone's passcode or scanned your face with Touch ID. The feature is designed to give you more control over incoming calls, and it gives us an option to decline or reject some calls from someone that we don't want to answer and talk to. Sadly, Apple doesn't give us an option to change these screens to our liking, but even if you can't change these screens manually, there is a little trick that you can use to reject or decline some incoming calls when your iPhone is locked and you only have the slide to answer screen. If you want to decline an incoming call while your iPhone is locked and you only have the slide to answer screen, you can simply press the power button 2 times and that will reject the incoming call that you don't want to answer. Alternatively, if you don't want to reject that call but you don't want it ringing, you can simply press either the volume up or volume down buttons to mute that call and you won't hear the ringtone after this step. So press the volume up or down button once, and that's it. If Apple gives us an option to change these screens in the future, I'm going to make sure to do a tutorial video for it, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.